Chocolate cake, chocolate cake, chocolate cake, chocolate cake, chocolate cake.
We're gonna make it here with Jamie.
I need a chocolate cake.
That's very cool. I don't understand that, but
What's that? Bananas and eggs.
how many bananas? How many eggs?
2.
Oh, you want eggs too? Okay, I'll come back. What's this?
Flour.
It's called plain flour. Say plain flour.
Flour.
Is it 40 grams, right?
1 gram.
Not 40 grams. Okay, 40. 40. What's this?
Green poo poo. Matcha powder.
What are we gonna make today?
Chocolate cake.
What's chocolate cake?
Chocolate cake. Chocolate cake. Chocolate cake.
No, your turn now. Say chocolate.
Chocolate cake. Chocolate cake. Chocolate cake.
What goes in first?
Bananas.
The bananas first. You sure?
Yeah. I think that's not on the banana. Oh, yuck, yeah.
Then we have the coconut syrup.
Yeah, really not here. Yes.
It's plain flour.
You said coconut syrup.
I was trying to fool you.
That was fun making the cake. Whoa. That is sticky.
That's sticky now. We're gonna put this on. This is called the magic stick.
Magic stick.
And it's gonna make it vroom, 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 vroom. Who wants to press it? Put it in.
Me. It's really sticking.
I think this dough is too small. Yeah.
You like bananas? Now.
All the yogurt?
Yes.
What's this?
Yogurt.
How much do we want?
5 scoops.
5? Are you sure 5 scoops is enough?
Yes.
Okay, 5 scoops.
Just pour it in.
Okay, just pour it in again.
Wow.
Oh, wow.
It's too bouncy.
It looks very nice.
Wow.
Are you ready? Whoa, 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 whoa.
30 minutes.
170.
Minutes later, the cake's ready. Let me see it. The cake is ready.
And we're gonna cut it.
Can you get it?
Slowly.
Show it.
Say it slowly.
Show it.
We're gonna cut it.
You can get it.
And Jamie, I love you.
I
And Mummy,
know.
I love you too.
I know.
Happy Mother's Day.
I
Whoa. Okay, we're gonna try this. How do
Is it yummy?
Let me try. I'll try it first before I give it to Jamie.
It's a bit sour. It's a bit sour.
Is it yummy, Jamie?
Jamie's everything.
Oh my god, fail!
Yummy. Sour.
You ready?
Mm.
Ah.
Happy Mother's
No, you say mothers.
Jamie.
No, no. Happy?
Day!
Happy or happy?
Mothers?
Happy
Happy.
or happy?
Happy?
Happy.
You say mothers?
Mothers.
Happy?
Happy. Happy Mother's Day!
Say Happy Mother's Day quickly.
Happy Mother's Day!